missed you guys. Like, I've missed you big time. So guys, I'm Trends Queen. I am a fashion and lifestyle creator, and this is part of my lifestyle vlogs, because part of lifestyle is how you eat. So this is a healthy smoothie, and I provide. So in this video, we are going to, my sister is going to cook me a banana smoothie that she once tried out in school during her home science lesson, and I was like, yeah, great, I can try that out. So in this video, she'll be the one who will be cooking. I am doing nothing. I'm just here to introduce the video. Anyway guys, so we'll be using a blender. Our blender is from Oms Kenya. Here's the blender. It has a blender and a mixer as well. The mixer is here. Thank you. The mixer is here. So here's the mixing pot, and here's the cover. So apart from that, it comes with, you can measure your cups, and it has the maximum level. What else? This is a 1.5 liter jar. Then there's the stirring spoon. Yeah, that's basically it. So let my sister come and continue with the video. Trends Queen sister, and today I'm going to take you through a recipe of making a banana smoothie, because she made me my snack and I'm going to make her best drink, which is a banana smoothie. So here we're going to have avocado. It's already made. We're going to have banana and a glass of water. We're not going to use a lot of things. It's very simple. You can make it at the comfort of your home. So let's begin. So we're going to start by fixing the blender from Oms. Yeah, I really love Oms because their prices are cheap and they are found countrywide.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah, here it is. Oh. Yeah, it's dead first. Then you're going to open it. Remove the mixer. Place it aside. You mix your bananas and avocado. So we're going to start with one avocado. Make sure your hands are clean because you don't want to contaminate some beautiful juices. So cut in the avocado slowly inside the blender. Just slowly. Make sure you cut them small so that it may blend well. And then take one banana. You see it's in good approximation inside there, so I'll just like to turn them inside the blender. I hope you can see, just a little bit to give it a good mix. I know it looks yuckish, but the end product is so sweet. You won't even know how you made it was this bad. That is not yuckish. It's sweet. Yeah. So after doing that, let me get my hands washed. I'll be back. Don't use soap because you're still cooking. You might contaminate your food. Yeah. So let's go back to food. Now that glass of water that I told you to keep behind, just add it slowly. Like a quarter of it inside. And then shake it a little bit and then close. After closing it, you open the switch
and then let the magic begin. Okay, now after that first round, we will like to mix it so that the top, the fruits on the top will go down. So yeah, let's mix it. Then you add the water, the remaining water inside. Yeah, it will seem more sort of an avocado color because the color will be from the avocado, but the taste, it will be from the banana. After that, you switch it off, and yeah, we have our banana smoothie. As you can see, it looks rich. So I'm going to serve it in this glass, in this mug. So the thickness in it is
I'm looking quite serious, Aki.
So here we have our banana smoothie. It really looks beautiful. And we're going to put in a straw and wait for my sister to be here and taste it. So yeah, dip in the straw. We're not going to garnish it because it's like your homemade. Just need to take it when you're relaxed. You don't need to garnish it. It's like something that you can just make when you just want to make something sweet for yourself. It's really healthy, no cholesterol, no fat. It's just natural fat from the banana and the avocado. And so I'm going to call my sister to taste it.
Wadao is me is coming. Here I am.
So Tara, here's your banana smoothie. I hope you enjoy it. Have a taste.
Guys. Wewe, niko sawa kwa kamera?
Yeah.
Sikatui.
Yeah, okay.
So, we. Hello, arms, elegance, check. So it's the taste. Guys, aki kitu ni tamu, to be honest. Imbakia to ice cubes. Smoothie pia inaeka ice cubes kama milkshake.
Yeah.
I'll tell her to add ice cubes for me so you can get ice cubes.
Yeah, or just refrigerate for a while.
Yeah. So you get ice cubes right now.
Yeah.
Here I am. I am the great judge.
So here's your drink.
This way. Ice cubes check. Smoothies thickness check. Straw check. Now let's see the taste. Guys, this one is dying over here. Come. Guys, this is so amazing. I like it. It's how can I say? Kitu baridi inaitwa aje? It is so I'm feeling umesikia ukikunywa like ice cold drink, it gets in and you just feel like and then it's sweet. Like hajatumia any, there's no sugar that has been used here. It's just bananas and it's amazing. The taste is of bananas. I thought it would taste like avocados, but it's the bananas taste. That's why it's so sweet. And I'd recommend it for any of my family out there, especially my YouTube family, to take this as a healthy drink whenever you feel like you need to take a carbonated soft drink. Don't think about that. That is very unhealthy. Go for this. If you want to take I don't know, take fizzy drinks, go for this, baby girls. This recipe will always be on YouTube, maybe until shindo papombaya, maybe until I get banned, lakini shindo papombaya. This video will be here, so you can always come back and watch this video. So guys out there, subscribe to this YouTube channel, click the notification bell, subscribe. We are road to 520 subscribers. Okay, let me say 550 subscribers. We aim higher, yeah, right? So please subscribe. Until the next video, bye.